What up? It's about almost 3 in the afternoon. I'm so tired. Did not want to get up today. It's been rainy. I really want to go to Mother's and get food, but I'm like too lazy to do that. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Yeah. I saw Dr. Monica. I learned more breathing techniques, which I'm excited to implement. I just want to go to bed, to be honest. I just want, like, cookies. I don't know what to do. I have no idea. I'll figure it out. Just got back from the grocery store, and that was pretty difficult because I wanted to buy cookies, and I wanted to buy this, and I wanted to buy that. But I got apples because I really want to make pancakes, so I'm going to saute some apples with cinnamon, and I'm going to make banana blueberry pancakes, and then put the apples on top. And then I got some greens for the quinoa and black beans that I already have. I did get this to satisfy my sweet tooth. I also got 2 other ones, matcha and turmeric. I got ginger because the Ayurvedic doctor wants me to start drinking ginger for my throat. I also got organic coffee, but I was looking up, I got really anxious for whatever reason, I guess because I felt like I was standing there too long. So I ended up getting this coffee. It said to use dark roast and to make sure that it was caffeinated, but I didn't really read into it. It said make sure it's like one kind of bean instead of a blend. And I have no idea if it's a blend or not. I'm pretty sure it would say it's a blend if it was. And that's pretty much all I have. But I also have cauliflower, and I'm gonna bake that for dinner. Actually, I'm gonna get that going right now. So yeah. So I had like 4 pancakes, banana blueberry pancakes with apple. I cooked them. Now that they're not cold, not warm, they don't taste great, but what do I want to talk about? I'm going to eat quinoa, black beans with, like, on top of a bed of mixed greens. I would like to be finished eating in an hour. So around 7:40, take my, whatever it's called. What is it called? Herbs? I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how I can do this while I'm still cleaning. I'll just do it. But I've been watching a lot of people that I worked with at Equinox, like, making videos, and like, I know Ryan's gonna be making like YouTube videos, and I just really want to be like a part of that. And I know that, like, I have to do this myself, I guess. I'm not too quite sure what I mean or what I'm trying to do. I'm so confused with work right now. There's just many great opportunities for me to be bringing more income in, and I guess I'm not I keep pushing them away. Like I want them, but I'm staying at a job that I guess I'm not really happy with, which is the chiropractor. So I guess I don't know. I'm so confused right now. I think it's time to leave, even though like I'm comfortable there. So that's gonna be hard. I don't know. I'm figuring shit out.